In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're in a meeting and need to quickly share your thoughts or have just realized your microphone has been muted, understanding how to unmute yourself is essential for smooth, productive conversations on Teams. Let's start by accessing Microsoft Teams. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Here you'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and enter your account details to log in. This step is important because you can't adjust your settings or participate in meetings without being logged into your account first. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. This is where all your ongoing chats, meetings, and team-related activities are neatly organized. To proceed, look for three dots, or what we often call the More Options menu. It's typically located in the upper right corner or along the side of your Teams window, depending on the layout you're using. After you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to select Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Microsoft Teams experience, from themes to notifications and, crucially for us, privacy settings. So go ahead and click on Privacy. This action will navigate you further into your settings, where you can adjust who can contact you directly, manage blocked contacts, and more importantly, control your microphone settings. As you scroll down the privacy settings, keep an eye out for a handy tip that says press and hold Ctrl plus spacebar to temporarily unmute your mic during a meeting. This is the golden nugget of information we've been searching for. Microsoft Teams offers this quick keyboard shortcut as a convenient way to unmute yourself without having to navigate through any menus during a meeting. It's designed to make your life easier, especially when you're in a hurry to contribute to the conversation. It's worth remembering this shortcut. Holding down the Control key, Ctrl, and the spacebar simultaneously will temporarily unmute your microphone. This means you can quickly share your input, and then go back to being muted without clicking through several options. Here's a pro tip before we wrap up. If you find yourself frequently needing to unmute, it might be worth exploring your meeting settings to see if there's a more permanent solution that works for you. However, this temporary unmute function is perfect for those moments when you're mostly listening, but want to chime in with a question or comment without fumbling through settings. And that's all there is to it. With this simple keyboard shortcut, you can effortlessly participate in your Microsoft Teams meetings without worrying about being permanently muted or having to navigate through various settings just to speak up. Remember, Ctrl plus spacebar is your friend in times of silent struggle. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to unmute on Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this information helpful and that it makes your Teams meetings more seamless and interactive. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to navigate your digital workspace like a pro. Happy teaming!